It's Candice Quinn with Contract Hack, and today I want to talk to you about what it's like to be a female in a male-dominated profession. I'm not here to sugarcoat it or give you some rah-rah girl yay speech. I'm here to tell you the honest truth of what I have experienced during my time being a lawyer in a male-dominated profession. Here's what I've experienced and what I've heard from women constantly. Your ideas get credited to male colleagues a lot. You get interrupted in meetings. Clients ask to speak to a real lawyer, even though they have you in front of them. You either come across as too aggressive or not assertive enough. You get mommy tracked the second you mention having kids, but you also get the when are you having kids question like as soon as you start. Meanwhile, male colleagues are seen as the family man for having kids and continuing to work. You're both expected to be the note taker, plan the parties, and somehow do all of your other work as well. And if you're direct, well, then you're difficult. But if you're collaborative, you're not partner material. You just can't win. This isn't about one bad boss or one bad firm. This is systemic, and it's across all areas of the legal field. The legal profession was built by men for men, and frankly doesn't leave a lot of room for women, even now in 2026. And what's even worse is that some female lawyers will actually perpetuate this as well. They've made it and they feel like other women owe something. They have a due to pay. So what are the survival strategies that will actually work, will actually keep you happy and employed and successful in the legal profession while being a woman? 1, document everything. Keep a brag file. Every win, every client compliment, every partner compliment, keep it, write it down. When review time comes, they're gonna forget, but you need to remind them. 2, build your own network. Now, we all know that I hate networking, but in this case, it's really more of a support system. Find other women in the law, women that are both inside and outside of your organization, practice area, industry, etc. We all need each other. This profession is isolating enough without purposely isolating other women. We aren't competing against each other, we're competing against the men. 3, master the interrupt. When someone interrupts you, take a deep breath, pause, and then say, "Excuse me, I wasn't finished with my thought yet," and then keep going. Now, if someone steals your idea, go ahead and say the following. "Hey, thanks for building on my idea. I think that is a great concept." Make it awkward. They already made it awkward for you, so go ahead and make it awkward for them. 4, know your numbers. Billable hours, originations, matter outcomes, know them by heart. They can dismiss your feelings, but they can't dismiss cold, hard numbers. When you know your metrics and you know them better than the partners, well, that gives you a lot of power. 5, stop waiting for permission. If you want to work on a certain type of matter, go ask for it. I mean, what's the worst that'll happen? They say no. At least you showed initiative and you asked. If you want to present to the client, volunteer for it. Again, the worst they can say is no. If you want to attend a conference, register and tell your boss you're going to attend. Don't ask for permission, just do it. I'll tell you one thing, the guys aren't waiting to be invited for anything. They are just going out and taking what they want. Women are just too polite and don't do that. 6, get comfortable being disliked. So when you go and you start grabbing things and asking for what you want, people are immediately going to feel insecure and they might start to dislike you. But that's okay. That's a them problem, not a you problem. You have to be willing to disappoint people to be successful in this career. Men say no all of the time, and so can you. So set your boundaries and make sure that you don't let anyone encroach on them. So when do you know when you need to leave an employer versus when you should stick it out? I personally think you should stay if there are women in leadership that you respect. If your metrics are recognized and you're getting meaningful work that you enjoy. You should start planning your exit if there are no women in leadership and no foreseeable plans to change that. If your work is consistently undervalued, if you believe that you're being excluded from key opportunities, and if you've raised concerns and nothing changed. Look, I'm not going to tell you that it gets easier, but you do get stronger and you do get smarter about navigating this. You can build your own table so that you always have a seat at it. Some of you will change your firms right away. You will know that it doesn't fit. And that's okay. Some of you will probably leave firms and build your own firm that's even better than the firm you left, and that's great. And some of you lucky ones will find places that already get it, and that is really amazing. All of those paths are valid. What's not valid is staying someplace that is pushing you down, holding you down, and making you unhappy. If you're dealing with this right now and you want to talk through a strategic exit, I would be happy to talk with you. Go ahead and schedule a call with me. The link is in the pinned comment and the description below. Sometimes you just need someone who has been there before to help you see your situation for what it really is. I've been there and I can help you see those options clearly. So, like I said, go ahead and schedule that call, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye for now, hackers.